Let's continue, students. The physical capital, the meaning of the physical capital, that is variety of inputs required at every stage during production is called physical capital. Whatever inputs are required at different stages of production is physical capital. It is of two types, fixed and working. If it is required for a long time, like tools and buildings, it is fixed capital. And when it is required for a short period of time, like raw material or the money in hand, it is the working capital. Now let's see what are the different ways of increasing the production on the same piece of land. Let I have 1 hectare of land and I want to increase the production. What could be done? First is irrigation. How irrigation is helpful? Let's see. One can grow more than one crop on the same piece of land. How? The dry areas can also be cultivated. We know that monsoon is uneven and uncertain. So we can give water and the crop can be taken. HYV seeds, they need assured irrigation. The second is electricity. This electricity, it has changed the system of irrigation. How? The Persian wheels which were used earlier, they have changed into the tube wells and it helped to irrigate the whole 200 hectare of land in village Palampur. The third is the multiple cropping. Multiple means many. That means to grow more than one crop on a same piece of land during the year. This is called multiple cropping. Then how the crops are grown in village Palampur? How many crops are grown in village Palampur? This same question can be asked, what is the cropping pattern of village Palampur? So there is 3 type of cropping pattern. Rainy season, that is called Kharif season. In this jowar and bajra is grown. Potato, which is grown in the months between October and December. And in winter season, that is the Rabi season, the wheat is grown here. Also, you should remember that sugar cane which is harvested once in a year. The another method is modern farming method. We can use the different modern farming methods, like we can use tractors, tube wells, HYV seeds or the technology. The another reason, that is green revolution. We know green revolution which has increased the production of the greenery, that is wheat, rice, etc., which is on the crops. It came in the late 1960s. It has 2 different questions. First, the merits, which can be used as advantages or benefits. The another is demerits, that is drawbacks or shortcomings. In case of merits, firstly, it increased the production. Same piece of land we can produce much. It has increased the yield. Second, the farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Western UP got benefit. Third, farmers got foreign exchange, or we can say that the country got the foreign exchange. How? By exporting. Then they become rich. The farmers become prosperous because their income increases. Then the crops like wheat, rice and sugar cane, it was mainly beneficial for these. Then it increased the fertility of soil. How? When we are using any chemical fertilizers, etc., so it will increase the fertility of soil. That is why we are using that. Now what are the demerits, or we can say the drawbacks or the shortcomings of green revolution? Very first, only some crops were benefited. Which were these crops? These crops are the wheat, rice and sugarcane. Then it is beneficial for some areas like Punjab, Haryana and Western UP, not the whole India. Third, it only some people, that is rich, got benefit. We can say it has widened the gap between rich and poor. Why? Why rich can use it? Because these are costly and poor cannot afford it. Then it reduced the water table. What is the meaning of water table? That is groundwater. So as it need assured water, so water table is decreased. Then it pollute the groundwater. When we are using the chemicals, that will definitely pollute the groundwater. And overuse of fertilizers. may reduce the fertility of soil. Now you will get confused. But firstly, I am saying it increase the fertility of soil. Then I am saying overuse may reduce the fertility of soil. Definitely. If we will use it overuse, chemical fertilizers are more used, then the soil will become alkaline, salty हो जाएगी. तो it will reduce the fertility of soil. So by killing the bacteria will be killed in that case. That means from here we did that there are two type of seeds. One is the traditional seeds and second are the modern seeds. Traditional seeds which are cheap, whereas modern are costly. Traditional they grow less yield, less production. Then modern grow more production. But modern need more water, assured irrigation. But traditional, they need less water. Everyone can use the traditional seeds, either rich or poor. But in case of modern seeds, only rich people can do it. Now from here we can do. That means I hope that now you are able to answer these questions. The first is the features of village Palampur, or how can you say that Palampur is a well-developed village. Second, third, fourth, fifth. In this way, I have given you 11 questions. If in case you find any problem, then you may contact on my WhatsApp number. You can ask me the answers.